Hey, my name is Paul. Today I will show you amazing list of
underwater photography lighting.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
We are looking at this new generation type of ring light. This is going to work perfect for your videos, your TikTok videos, selfies, whatever you want to do. This is going to make it convenient and easy. It has 3 lock points, so you can go ahead and extend it from 16 inches all the way to 62 inches. It is strong and sturdy, made out of metal, so you don't have to worry about it breaking or having issues with that. And one of the awesome points about this is the 14-inch ring light. It has a new smart buttons here that's going to make it longer lasting, longer service life. It's going to be more convenient, and it's just going to be great to have those buttons right there, accessible and easy to use. Here is the cord you're going to need to plug it in so the light works. It has a remote that's going to work up to 30 feet away, so you can do your videos from a good distance away and still be able to push play and stop. Comes with a bag, so when you're all done, you can put the tripod and the accessories in the bag. So once you get the tripod all put together, then everything is set, it's plugged in. There's a touchscreen here, which is really going to prolong the life of your cord, because with the remote always being on your cord, it really just puts wear and tear on that cord and damages it and makes them fail quicker. So it being up here just helps extend the life and quality of it. Here for the phone holder, it adjusts here so you can move it around. The holder itself is silicone padding, so it does not scratch your phone, and it holds it securely. It has a lip here, that way it doesn't fall out. Lifts up so you can put the size of the phone you want in there. A really cool thing about this one as well is you can loosen this one up and tilt it from here all the way to here. And adjust this, tilt it, do vertical or horizontal shots without taking your phone out. It has 3 extenders, so it can go up to 62 inches, which is very high, and that way you are able to get so many different shots, so many different views of what you want to do, whether it's up high, down low. This really gives you a good option. Here you can see I paired the remote with Bluetooth, so I can play and start my video, and I can stop it. So you can move it back and switch it to pictures, easily take a picture. This works really well. I love the 14-inch ring light. It is effective, it's bright, it's going to make your videos, your pictures so much better, whether it's for TikTok, YouTube, anything like that. I'm excited about the controls being here, just because I have so much trouble with all the remotes on here and the wires breaking around it, that this is going to solve that issue. And I feel like this ring light is going to last me a lot longer than all the other ones on the market. and even the base itself is stronger and feels more secure. So if you're looking for a ring light, then this one is going to be one of the top choices.